calculate the number of lights needed per square foot, there are several methods available. Firstly, let's discuss the Lumen method. To use this method, you must first determine the recommended light level for the desired task area in lumens per square foot. Then calculate the total lumens needed by multiplying the light level by the area to be illuminated. Finally, divide the total lumens by the lumen output of the chosen light fixture to determine the number of fixtures required. The formula for this method is number of fixtures equals total lumens needed divided by lumen output per fixture. Secondly, we have the wattage method. This method starts with determining the recommended wattage per square foot for the desired task area. Next, calculate the total wattage needed by multiplying the wattage per square foot by the area to be illuminated. Then divide the total wattage by the wattage of the bulb used in the chosen light fixture to determine the number of bulbs required. The formula is number of bulbs equals total wattage needed divided by wattage per bulb. Thirdly, consider the foot candle method. Determine the recommended foot candles for the desired task area. Calculate the total foot candles needed by multiplying the foot candle level by the area to be illuminated. Divide the total foot candles by the light output in foot candles of the chosen light fixture to determine the number of fixtures required. Formula is number of fixtures equals total foot candles needed divided by light output per fixture. It is recommended to consult with a professional lighting designer for accurate calculations, as factors such as ceiling height, fixture type, and room configuration can significantly affect the number of lights needed. These methods provide a general estimate but may require adjustments based on specific requirements and preferences.